Today's video is Japanese breakfast! 日本の
ラフィン
朝ごはん。
おいしい。
Konnichiwa everyone, I'm Chef Keita. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Japanese breakfast. We have experience traveling in Japan and what did you eat in the morning? Japanese breakfast is known for healthy and well-balanced meal. Let me explain what is typical Japanese breakfast. Rice is an essential element of Japanese breakfast. It can be easily cooked with rice cooker. Miso soup is a traditional Japanese soup made from fermented soybean. It's usually served with tofu and wakame seaweed and some vegetables. Third one is Tamagoyaki. Have you heard Tamagoyaki? Tamagoyaki is a Japanese style omelette. So Japanese mom cook this Tamagoyaki omelette every morning. She put Tamagoyaki for my breakfast and lunch box as well. So important thing. So my video is easy, quick and delicious. These three keywords is important for my recipe. Okay, before start cooking, please subscribe my channel. Let's get started.
Okay, let's cook rice first. Cook rice 3 cups. 1, 2, 3 cups.
For short grain rice, it needs to be rinsed first.
This is 3 cups and I put water until cup 3 and then put here and start cooking. So this is the ingredients just I found in my fridge. This is a soft tofu and soft tofu is good for miso soup, not firm tofu. Carrot and this is small pumpkin, potato and cabbage. First let's cut small dice. And all in the pot. This and next carrot, peel skin, cut the same size of the potato. This and pumpkin as well. It's like this is a veggie soup, so no rules. And for my miso soup, here you go, like this. The cabbage. Comes out. So it's like the cabbage as well. Like this, all veggie in the pot. Next is tofu. Tofu also cut in dice. This. This is soft tofu, so easy to block like this. That's why I put on the side and I add this tofu at the end. This is the veggie. Use kettle and more quicker. Started cook, just boil about 10 minutes. Just put on the side, I cook in different stove.
So next is Tamagoyaki. Let's make Tamagoyaki. Just get 2 eggs from the fridge.
The ingredients is those things. 2 eggs. This is a dashi soup stock, so Japanese soup stock. Sauce and sugar, and I use low sugar today. Just first crack 2 eggs. 1 and 2 eggs. And soy sauce, just little bit. And sugar. 1 teaspoon. Dashi soup stock. It's like this one also just a little bit, maybe quarter teaspoon. Dashi looks like this powder and mix. And after mix, add little bit water, 2 tablespoons of water, and this water makes it more like a fluffy. Some spring onion, mix like this.
To make Tamagoyaki, I'm gonna use this is a Tamagoyaki pan. Have you seen this? This one I got. This one is from Daiso.
Okay, I'm gonna cook Tamagoyaki first. Okay, it's a medium heat pan on the stove, vegetable oil, and use paper towel. Spread the oil. Next, okay, thin layer of the oil. Not too much. Yeah, if you want, you can use chopstick for making tamagoyaki, but I think it's use spatula. It's more easy to make it. Pan is nice and hot. Okay, let's put about 1/3 amount of the tamagoyaki and make first layer. Okay, almost cooked, and let's roll it up from this side and roll it up toward me. Beautiful color, and roll it up and push. Go back to this place, and next is half this amount. So I think I put too much eggs in the first one, so I put a little bit less, and under the egg too. And this is the second layer. Okay, second layer. Still fluffy, half cooked. Okay, and roll it up. Oh, look at this, fluffy, and roll it up. The last one. Yup. This nice. Just spread the rest of oil. There it is. Okay, next, last one. Under the egg too, under the egg. There you go. Okay, let's roll it up. Roll it over. Nice. I used this edge of pan and cooked on the side as well. This is the finalize. There you go. Stop the heat. 3, 2, 1, go. Ta-da! So nice. Look at this, fluffy. Fluffy. Yeah, let's cut into 6. This. Ta-da! Looks delicious. Wow. I put serve on the plate. Looks yummy. I love with Kewpie mayo on the side. Yay! So next is miso soup. Veggie is beautifully cooked. So let me show you what's the miso. Red and white. And this is for professional, and 1 kilo. Normally I don't use this amount, so I always transfer to this small containers like this, and white and red. So red miso is more like a strong taste, and salt amount is pretty high. And white miso is more like a mild and less salt more than red miso. I use both of miso, half and half. I use this miso strainer. You can buy this one at Daiso $3 shop as well. I haven't measured this water, so just amount this much. This is red miso, and I use white miso, like about same amount. So use this miso strainer using like this, and easy to dissolve the miso, and I can find. And also the same dashi stock, the same stuff. This much, 1 teaspoon, one teaspoon and a half, 1.5. So wait, let's have a taste. Right amount. This amount is correct. I don't need to add more miso or anything. That's perfect, because I make almost every day, so I know and how much I need to put miso. And then the end, add tofu. So delicious. Lot of veggies. This is done. At the time, rice is cooked. Nice timing. Let's open. Ooh. Let's mix from the bottom. Ooh, shiny. And close the lid and steam about 5 minutes more.
So do you know this one? This is, let me open. Ta-da! Let me open. Natto. Do you know natto? Look at this, sticky. This natto is traditional Japanese food and very good for health. So this is super food. So most of Japanese eat this natto in the morning breakfast. So this is so yummy. I love. But for foreigners, it's very weird taste and made of this is soybean as well. Same with miso.
Open the sauce and mix well. Mix well, and after mix well, it more becomes sticky. There you go. Very sticky. Yeah, let's finalize my breakfast. So this is Tamagoyaki. Put some spring onion on top. Okay, and the miso soup. Ooh, nice. Lot of veggies here. Okay, next is rice. So this is my rice bowl. Here you go. Rice, miso soup. So this is a pickled veggie. Let's put on the side. Pickled veggie on the side here. I bought a pack of pickled veggie from Japanese supermarket. This is furikake. My younger sister sent me from Japan. So this is put on top of rice, cold green tea. My breakfast! And I shared with my wife this egg and natto as well.
This is my breakfast today. Rice, tamagoyaki, miso soup, natto, and green tea. いただきます。いただきます。First is tamagoyaki. Waffle. Rice with furikake. Oishi. And it's natto. So how do you eat natto? On top of the rice. I love it. This is important to make it energy from the morning. So please give me a comment what you think. Please subscribe my channel. In my channel, and I show you how to make Japanese cooking, home cooking dish. See you in another video. Bye.